Welcome back to another Jeff and Chidu video. This is really a Chidu video. What you can see here is a DIY weaved ribbon yarn wall art piece thingy. So I originally made this so that I could have another rug in my bathroom because that's something that I like, rugs. But when it was completed, I realized how soft and flimsy it was, and I figured it's actually not great. It's not going to be a robust enough rug. And then I thought, actually, I think it will look really nice hung up on the wall like that as a wall art. So I'd like to share how I came up with this. Basically, I went onto Pinterest and I looked up some color combination, and I saw a really nice weave pattern done on Pinterest, and I put the two together and I ended up with this. Now what you need is a loom, cotton strings, and yarn. Right here I've got a basket full of cotton ribbon yarns that I got from Hobbii.com. You just have to make sure you've set up your loom correctly, and then you use the cotton strings to form all the vertical pieces. First, you cut your yarn into manageable lengths, and you thread your yarn through a tapestry needle. Then you start weaving by going over and under the warp, and continue doing that until you reach the end of the row. And then you turn it around and you make sure to go under, over, under, and over. When you come to the end of your yarn, make sure to leave about 3 to 4 inches length, and just take your yarn to the back as you're going under, and then come in with a new yarn and continue weaving. I usually wait till the very end before tying up all the knots in my yarns. For the ribbon yarns, I made sure to keep the yarn on one flat surface, so I didn't want it to twist around because then it won't look very neat. So the loom I got, it's actually homemade loom. All you need is just 4 pieces of timber to form the frame, and I put in various holes so I can adjust its size, width, and height. There's a really useful blog that I found on DIY Loom, and I'll link that below so that you can also check it out. So with the dowels, I basically bought a 12mm dowel and then cut them to size, making sure there's about 20mm of length on either side left. And then what I did was I used wood glue to secure the ends of the cotton strings onto the dowel, and then I've rolled it over a few times to make sure it's fully secured, and I did the same for the bottom as well. And then with the hanging string, it really is just one single loop of string that I've just wrapped around on either ends, and then it basically formed this triangle that I can hang onto hooks. And there you have it. That is my DIY yarn weave wall art. Well, hope you like it. Give me a thumbs up if you like this, even if you just like this wall art here. And subscribe, hit the notification bell, and we'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.